Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram them's not loading. To know how to fix Instagram them's not loading, you should just go to settings. As you see, we click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here like this. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. Then when you will see this page, you will go to force stop, and here you can enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone so that you can know how to fix Instagram them's not loading. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.